a 1965 Chevy C10 short bed pickup truck. It's mildly hot rodded, aluminum intake, 4-barrel carburetor, headers, dual exhaust, lots of chrome stuff, dual electric fans, MSD. Nice straight body. Older redo on the paint, probably 20 years ago. It's got new side moldings on it. It's been tuned, runs and drives super. Lots of power. Just a fun little truck. Clean underneath. Chrome grille. Captain's chairs and both seats. Sounds great and runs and drives